For most people, cryptocurrency can seem intimidating and out of reach. Expensive hardware, complicated setups, and sky-high electricity bills make traditional mining feel like a game only for tech experts or those with deep pockets. The barriers to entry are high, and the process can be overwhelming for anyone who isn't already a crypto enthusiast. The PI network set out to change all that by letting anyone, anywhere, mine digital currency right from their smartphone. No technical know-how or expensive equipment required. Their vision is simple yet ambitious: make crypto accessible to everyone, everywhere, using devices people already own and carry with them every day. Whether you're a student, a parent, or a professional, you can participate. Unlike Bitcoin's energy-hungry proof-of-work system, which requires massive mining farms and consumes as much power as small countries, PI uses a lightweight consensus algorithm adapted from Stellar. This means mining won't drain your phone's battery or rack up your electricity bill. All it takes is opening the app once a day and tapping a button to prove you're human. There's no need to leave your phone running all night or worry about complicated settings. This simple daily check-in earns you PI coins, making mining effortless, passive, and accessible to anyone with a smartphone. You can go about your day while your phone quietly works in the background. To get started, you join with an invite code, tap the lightning button, and your phone quietly mines in the background. No noise, no heat, no hassle. The referral system has fueled explosive growth, attracting millions of users worldwide. Friends invite friends, and the network spreads rapidly across borders and cultures. People are drawn by the chance to get in early. No financial investment required, just participation and a bit of curiosity. It's an opportunity to be part of something from the ground up. The founders, all Stanford graduates, believe that a currency's true value comes from its community. The more people who use and trust it, the stronger it becomes. By distributing coins widely from the very start, they hope to build a truly valuable and inclusive ecosystem, one that anyone can join, regardless of background or resources. PI's approach is a bold experiment in fair distribution and mass adoption, challenging the status quo of how cryptocurrencies are launched and who gets to benefit. The project's success hinges on whether this massive, everyday user base can turn PI into a real usable currency, one that people can actually spend and rely on in their daily lives. It's crypto mining, simplified and democratized, opening the doors for millions who were previously left out of the crypto revolution. The question now is whether this innovative model can deliver lasting value and truly change the way the world thinks about digital money. PI's greatest strength is its enormous global community, tens of millions across 200+ countries. This isn't just a number, it's a living, breathing network of people from every walk of life, united by a shared vision of accessible digital currency. From students in bustling cities to entrepreneurs in remote villages, PI's reach is truly unprecedented. This isn't just a crypto niche, it's a worldwide movement of daily active users. The app's referral model and simple mining process have made it easy for anyone to join, regardless of technical background. Friends invite friends, families get involved, and entire communities are introduced to the world of cryptocurrency. These features have fueled organic viral growth, turning PI into one of the fastest-growing digital communities ever seen.
The community is highly engaged, forming security circles and chat groups, discussing PI's future and helping newcomers. People share tips, answer questions, and even organize local meetups to support each other. This sense of belonging is rare in the crypto world.
The daily mining habit keeps users coming back, reinforcing loyalty and connection. For many, it's become a part of their daily routine, something they look forward to each day.
This engagement is the bedrock of PI's ecosystem. It's not just about technology, it's about people working together to build something new. Without these pioneers, PI would have no value. Currency only matters if people use it. The community's activity gives PI its real-world potential. By building the community first, PI aims to solve the classic chicken and egg problem of new currencies. The hope is that a strong active user base will attract real-world use cases and merchants.
The team communicates regularly, encouraging users to imagine a real PI economy. They share updates, host events, and invite feedback to keep the community involved in shaping the project's direction.
The focus is on real-world utility, with users as co-creators, not just passive holders. Everyone is invited to contribute ideas, build apps, and help PI evolve.
PI's future depends on whether this massive, active community can drive real adoption. If the community succeeds, PI could become a model for people-powered digital economies. The experiment: can community alone create a valuable currency? Only time will tell, but PI's story is already rewriting the rules of what's possible in crypto. PI is evolving from a simple mining app into a full-fledged ecosystem, aiming to become a central hub for decentralized applications and digital transactions. What started as a way to mine PI coins on your phone is now transforming into a platform that could redefine how we interact with cryptocurrency in our daily lives. The launch of the Pi browser and Pi wallet marks a major step forward for the network. These tools are designed to make using PI not just possible, but practical and accessible for everyone, whether you're a developer, a merchant, or an everyday user.
The Pi browser connects users to a growing suite of PI-powered apps, marketplaces, games, social platforms, and more, where PI is the native currency. This means you can shop, play, and interact, all while using PI seamlessly within the ecosystem. Developers now have the opportunity to build directly on the network, expanding its utility and creating new experiences for users. This open environment encourages innovation and could lead to a wave of creative decentralized applications. The browser acts as the gateway to this new decentralized world, making it easy for anyone to access and use blockchain-based services without technical barriers. The Pi wallet lets users send and receive PI securely, finally giving them real custody of their coins. It's a crucial step toward true ownership and financial empowerment within the network. With the enclosed mainnet, balances are migrating from the app to personal wallets, a huge milestone that signals the network's move towards decentralization and user control.
Now, for the first time, users can transact with each other on a live blockchain, opening up new possibilities for peer-to-peer commerce and collaboration. The team has released SDKs to encourage app development, making it easier for programmers to create and launch new PI-based services and tools. The real test now is whether a vibrant, self-sustaining economy will emerge within the PI ecosystem, one where users, merchants, and developers all benefit. The infrastructure is here. Now it's up to the community and developers to build on it, create value, and drive adoption. PI's future depends on real-world use, not just mining. The next chapter will be written by those who use PI to solve real problems and create meaningful change. Let's talk price. PI's IOU tokens on exchanges are in a clear downtrend.
The chart shows lower highs and lower lows, classic signs of sellers dominating. Every rally fails and the price keeps slipping.
The key support is around 63-64 cents. If it breaks, expect another leg down.
For a reversal, we'd need to see a higher low and a break above a previous high. No sign of that yet.
As of June 12, 2025, the downtrend is strong and confidence is fading. The optimism of early trading has given way to a persistent bearish mood. The chart tells a story of waning interest and declining momentum.
Holders are feeling the pain and the market is waiting for a catalyst.
Until then, the trend remains down. The price action reflects uncertainty about PI's future. The market is skeptical, watching for real progress. For now, sellers are in control.
Traders use the Relative Strength Index or RSI to gauge market momentum. RSI above 70 means overbought, below 30 means oversold. For PIUSDT, the RSI has stayed mostly below 50, confirming the bearish trend. Interestingly, the RSI isn't in oversold territory yet, it's hovering in the 30s and 40s. This suggests a steady, gradual decline, not a panic sell-off. The market is bleeding slowly, frustrating investors hoping for a quick turnaround. Without an oversold signal, there's no technical reason for a sharp bounce. For a real bottom, we'd want to see the RSI dip below 30 and a bullish divergence. That would signal sellers are exhausted and a reversal could be near.
But we're not there yet. The downtrend could continue until momentum truly shifts. For now, the technicals offer little hope for an immediate recovery. The market remains cautious. Scaling a crypto network for millions isn't easy. PI's recent wallet migration proved that.
Many users faced delays or missing balances as PI moved coins from the app to on-chain wallets.
Frustration spread quickly, with social media and chat rooms flooded by complaints.
The lack of immediate communication from the core team made things worse, shaking community trust.
Eventually, the team responded, assuring users that no PI was lost and delays were due to high volume.
The incident highlighted the technical challenges of scaling and the importance of clear communication.
It was a reminder that building a decentralized network at this scale is complex. The project's credibility depends on how it handles these bumps. The road to a fully open mainnet is still long. Trust and transparency are more important than ever. The community is watching closely. Another red flag. PIIU trading volume is dropping fast.
High volume means a healthy market, low volume signals fading interest. For PI, both price and volume are falling, showing excitement is waning.
Low liquidity means even small sell orders can push the price down further.
Without new buyers, the market stagnates and becomes vulnerable. PI needs a catalyst, tech breakthroughs, partnerships, or the open mainnet to attract fresh capital.
Until then, the market is stuck in limbo, unappealing to big traders.
The broader market is watching but not convinced.
PI must prove its value to revive interest and liquidity. The network's future depends on breaking this cycle. For now, the wait continues. PI struggles are even starker against the backdrop of a booming crypto market.
Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many altcoins are surging. Optimism is everywhere.
Yet PI's IOU price is falling, volume is down, and technical issues persist.
This contrast suggests PI's problems are project-specific, not market-wide.
PI holders face a tough choice: wait for progress or chase gains elsewhere.
Patience is wearing thin as other projects deliver real returns.
The bull market brings both opportunity and competition.
PI must stand out with real progress, not just a big community.
In a hot market, capital flows to where the action is. And right now, that's not PI. The pressure is on for PI to deliver. The window to prove itself is closing.
As PI stalls, investors are eyeing alternatives like Solaxi, a new project on Solana. Solaxi's pre-sale is drawing buzz, promising immediate liquidity and action once listed.
Investors want near-term returns, not endless waiting.
For PI to break out, it must launch its open mainnet. This is the catalyst everyone's waiting for.
An open network would bring real trading, liquidity, and price discovery.
Beyond launch, PI needs real utility, apps, services, and a thriving ecosystem.
If PI can deliver on these fronts, it could still become a major cryptocurrency. But the clock is ticking.